What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Apple is unveiling its new iPhone 17 Air. It's an entirely new entry in the iPhone lineup and it's positioned to be a unique option for those who prioritize a slim light design. The biggest difference for the iPhone 17 Air is its design and it will be thinnest iPhone ever. Speaking of specifications, the smartphone will feature LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED touchscreen display with 6.6 inches screen size and with 1320 by 2868 pixel resolution with a 120Hz refresh rate. A welcome upgrade that was previously exclusive to the Pro models. It's powered by a vision of the new A19 Pro 3nm chipset. There will be 8GB of RAM and 128, 256 and 512GB of storage. Apple iPhone 17 Air has a single 48 megapixel camera and the front facing camera will be 12 megapixel. Battery will be around 4000 mAh with fast charging support. Pricing is another key factor. The iPhone 17 Air with a starting price around $900. This position it as a premium device, not a budget-friendly option. Overall, the iPhone 17 Air seems to be a phone for a specific type of users, one who values on ultra-thin design and a large fast display, and willing is to make compromises on camera versatility and battery life to get it. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.